Iowa Trooper. Yeah, we got like 25-mile-an-hour winds. Let's see if you can find source. Ready? See. All right. And we're off. See if I can work the camera. Yeah. Be a good thing, huh? Yeah, we got about, what is it, 40 degrees out. Let's go. Yeah, I gotta take care of business, I guess. Hurry up, bud. Let's go, seek. That's what's called crittering, because coyotes and extra fun smells. Let's go. What? Right there? Show me again. Right there, huh? Oh boy. What did he find? Yeah, there's our vial, our jar, and got blood. Hey, check out the homepage. Check out the views, right? It's on the banks of the Missouri River. Hey, we'll see you out there.